Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to solve 1.16 and 1.17 from the first lesson, electric charges and field. Okay. So what is the net flux of the uniform electric field from the question number 15? So in the question number 15, what is given? In X, Y, Z axis, let us consider a block which is oriented in Y, Z plane. So that we consider that the electric field and normal are acting parallel to each other. Then it makes an angle theta equal to 0. Then cos 0 equal to 1 into something. Like that, we solved the problem in the question number 15. Okay. Here, throw a cube of side 20 centimeter is oriented. So it is oriented to all the three axes, X, Y, Z axis are parallel to the coordinate planes. What is the net flux? Okay. So simply we can go for the number of flux entering. Number of flux entering in one phase is equal to number of flux leaving. Okay. So in one phase it is enter, in another phase it is leaving. Okay. So from that what we can say, the total flux or the net flux through the cube is 0. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? No doubt. Next, 1.17. Careful measurements of the electric field at the surface of your block box indicating that the net outward flux. Okay. So the flux is given. Okay. So what is the value of flux? 8 into 10 to the power 3 Newton meter square per coulomb through the surface. What is the net charge inside the box? Okay. The flux is indicating that outward. Okay. So for net outward flux. Okay. So what is the charge? Okay. So what is the formula that relates charge and flux? So pi equal to Q by epsilon 0. So now we are going to calculate the charge. So division epsilon 0 comes to this as multiplication. So epsilon 0 into pi, that is equal to Q. Okay. So Q equal to epsilon 0. So what is the value of epsilon 0? 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 into pi. So what is the value of pi? 8 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. So when you multiply this, so it becomes 0.07 into 10 to the power minus 6 is the charge. Unit of charge is coulomb. Okay. So we know that the positive charge, the electric field is radially outwards. For negative charge, the field is always inwards. Okay. So that the flux is the net outward. Okay. So let us consider a positive charge, then it will be outward. So that the charge is also a positive 1. Okay. Right. If the net outward flux through the surface of the box is 0. Okay. So let us consider this will be the box. Okay. Now I am placing a positive charge. The flux is 0. Okay. Flux is 0. Okay. When I am placing one positive charge, we can get outward flux. Suppose I am having a negative charge, then I can get an inward flux. Okay. But the total flux is 0. Okay. Here, positive charge, negative charge. 1 plus Q, 1 minus Q. So plus Q minus Q, then the total charge becomes 0. When the total charge is 0, then the flux is 0. This is the first way. Okay. The second one, if it is a dipole, then the flux is also a 0. The flux is also 0. If there is no charge, then the flux is also 0. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you get it out? No doubt.